Hi, Deadlocks here again, and today I'm going to try and pick this Lowe Fletcher lever lock that has a lot of levers squeezed into a very small lock. I think it's like 7 levers in there. I'm going to use this bent bobby pin, so we have that bit bent as the upright, same height as the keyway, and that bent to go into the keyway, same depth as the keyway. We do have a little window there showing us what's going on, so I'm going to cover that. I didn't have any tape, so I just ripped up a bit of cardboard. It seemed like it would do the trick. Hopefully I can get this picked. Takes a little bit of getting your tensioner into the right spot. Need a fair bit of tension on it. Now I'm just going to use this cheap Chinese pin tumbler pick just to tickle those levers into place, hopefully. And there we go. We have an open.
Ooh.
That's a Lowe Fletcher cabinet lock. Open. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.
The plan is we're going to lock the hasp. It shouldn't be called a hasp, so let's call it a terry. So we're going to lock terry, and we're going to lock it with the master number 3.
I think it should be called Henry. Henry the hinge lock.
The hasp.
It's hinge lock now.
Harry the hasp.
Harry the hinge lock.